Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making akidi with yam, that is green beans, and we are using dry akidi. So I have picked the akidi. I'm going to be soaking it with water for about 8 hours or overnight because this takes too much time to cook. So the first thing I will be doing is to soak it. You can wash it first before soaking it, but I decided to soak it first before washing it. So I just soak it overnight. I'm about to go to bed, so I just soak it, go to bed. Then before cooking it early in the morning, I will wash it several times, 3 to 4 times, before I transfer it into a pot. In the morning, this is how it is looking with foam on top of it, and it's a little bit soft. So I will go ahead and wash it several times off camera. Then I will transfer it into my cooking pot and I will start cooking this. You can use pressure pot if you want it to cook very fast. But today I'm using my cooking pot. I don't know why, but I decided to use cooking pot today. And once it has started boiling, I will take off the water, rinse it again, and add fresh water to this. And I will use silicone spill cover to cover the pot so that it doesn't spill away. And this is the way it is steaming. You can see it's not coming out from the pot. I normally use it when I'm cooking rice as well. Any food that spills over, I normally use it to cover the pot. It stops it from spilling. So after about 1 hour 30 minutes, I checked the beans and it was soft. So I'll be adding some yams to this. You can cook the yams separately before adding it, but I'll be adding it here to continue cooking the beans as well, because it's not that 100% soft, at least 80 to 90% soft. So I'll be cooking it together with the yam again. Then I'll be adding some salt to this. Top up the water to cook the yam perfectly well because this is frozen yam. So I cover the pot and cook for at least 20 to 30 minutes until the yam is soft. Once the yam is soft, then I will take it out. I don't like very soft yam. I want the yam to still be a little bit hard when eating it. So I'm taking it out now. Then inside that same pot, I will add a lot of oil. This food requires a lot of oil. Then I will add a lot of onion and some pepper. Add pepper to your taste. I will stir and saute this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add some seasoning cube. Use any seasoning cube of your choice. Continue stirring, and I add a little bit of salt, not much salt because I've added salt earlier while cooking the beans and yam. I added a little bit of crayfish. Then I will be using kale leaf. You can use spinach, you can use green vegetable, you can use pumpkin leaf if that's what you have. But here I have only kale leaf. I will saute for at least 2 minutes. Add back the black beans, the akidi, and the cooked yam together. Start stirring till it is well cooked and it is well mixed. Just like so. At least I will stir this for about 5 minutes on a low heat. It's a very low heat so that it will cook evenly. Make sure you stir continuously so that it doesn't burn. I will test for salt. Once you feel that everything is okay, then you take it out. But I added a little bit of salt for it to be tasty. To my taste bud though, add salt to your taste. Then I will check it again, then it is perfectly okay. I will stir it the last time to make sure that it is perfectly cooked. Then I will take it out and dish it. And this is just how I make perfect, yummy, delicious, and healthy akidi. Hope you will try this out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.